Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking the phone and opening settings. This is where system sounds live. Go to sound or notifications because charging tones are controlled there. Tap advanced or system sounds to reveal charging events. Make sure you understand the difference between media, ringtone, and system volumes. Once done, back up any custom sound files you plan to replace so you can revert. This initial step prevents accidental loss and prepares you to change the charging sound safely. Now you pick the sound. Either choose a preset charging tone or import your own. If adding a file, open Files or Music, locate the MP3 or M4A and grant permission when prompted. This allows settings to access the audio. Trim longer clips in an editor to under 10 seconds because short cues are clearer when plugging in. When you select the file, test it by connecting and disconnecting the charger. This confirms the new tone is assigned and audible under your current volume settings. Finish by saving the change and testing with the charger. You should hear the new tone immediately. If nothing plays, make sure Do Not Disturb isn't blocking system sounds and raise the system or charging volume. If the tone still fails, reassign the file or reboot the phone. Clearing settings app cache can force the system to reload sound resources. One key troubleshooting tip: try a different short audio file to determine whether the original file format or permissions are the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.